Yeah, I do have an Android. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Thanks for hanging out and stuff. Probably thanks for the thumbs up, probably, yeah. I can say that. I don't really want to ask things that put it out like that. Like, yeah. You don't have to. Thanks for the thumbs up. 48, it's a good average. For port, it's a success, I guess. I'll have maybe, I don't know how many views actually. And I walked to that boat a while ago. Going it closer. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, you blocked it. Trikes. Three-wheeler lover, where are you? Oh, man. Some stream I have no clue actually, but this one I know, yeah, my counter is still working so far with no mistake. See you later, Sandy. It was good to see you. Hope you have a good night. I just got some music a little bit in. I don't know if it's too much or not. I hope not. But I think the flag just goes up if you monetize it. But I muted anyway, that's why I muted. Okay, I better keep walking. I better keep walking. Because the time is flying. But I like that view from there because it's pretty unique. It's like more unique than the ice. Make a highlight.